So welcome back. Today's word's gonna be mówić, to speak, to talk, to tell, to say. It's an imperfect aspect. So let's start. It's the same as kupić and lubić, so the same conjugation for the present. Ja mówię, ty mówisz, on mówi, mówimy, mówicie, mówią. I have done this many times. I'm not gonna do it again all the times. So for the past, we remove the C, we add the past form, wem, wesh, wash, and etc. All you have to do is focus on the third person and the singular and the third person and the plural, because they are going to be used in the future form. So in the future form, as we said before, all you have to do is add bende if it's for the first group, będziesz, etc. And then after these verbs, you add the verb that you need to say in the third group of the past, whether it's plural or singular. So of course in plural forms you're going to use the plural. For example, my będziemy mówili, we will be talking. You will be talking, it will be będziesz mówił, or if it was a girl, będziesz mówiła. Okay, I guess it's pretty simple by now. The conditional is the same thing. I have a video about it explaining everything. All you have to do is use the third group from the past, whether it's plural or a singular, depending on the case, of course, and then you add to it bim, bish, by, bishme, bishte, by. Okay? And then the imperative is the same as lubić and kupić. Mówić becomes ty mów, so talk or speak, depending on the context, of course. Niech mówi, let them speak, or let him or let her or let it speak. If it speaks, because you know you're rarely gonna see ono niech mówi. It's not gonna happen unless you're talking about a story for children where dogs can talk and cats can talk anywhere. So mówmy, my mówmy. So let us speak, or let's speak, sorry. Wy mówcie. So it's like you're ordering them to speak, whoever they are. Oni, one, niech mówią. Let them speak, okay? Always remember that after niech, the conjugation form is the same as the present. It's the rule. The gerund of this mówić is mówienie, which means the speech or the speaking process. It depends on the context, of course. You might not see it so much, because you can see other forms. Like you can say mowy, you can say przemówienie. It depends on the context. But if you see it, and this is the base word, so you're gonna understand when you see something that looks like it. However, the iterative verb is the usual verb. It expresses the usual act of speaking. So, for example, mawiać. You can say, for example, zwykł mawiać, że. So usually it is said that, or he used to say. For example, mawiał, on mawiał in the past. So he used to say. So, like, the point of it, if you see it, to know what I'm talking about, that this is from mówić. It's a derivative from mówić. So if you see it, don't be scared. It's the same word. So it's like learning two words in one. And you can say rozmawiać, for example. Rozmawiać. I'm sure you heard about it if you're not new in Polish. And rozmawiać comes from the word mówić, which becomes mawiać in the iterative form. And then you add roz to it, becomes rozmawiać, which means to talk or have a conversation. We're going to talk about this in other videos, but for now that's all, and see you soon.